Hi everyone, now let me capture the data set for sequence. Now hands, one hand is an optional. So let me use 24 frames. 24 frames. I'm going to use three just as blink, wave, and then swipe. Yeah. So let me go ahead and show you this. Firstly, let me just start it. Blink. So this is how we capture. Oh, okay, okay. This is in static mode. I will have to delete this. Yeah, the classes have been created and my hand is getting tracked. Now let me click on the sequence. So let me just start it. Link. Yeah. So I'm going to repeat this process to capture a certain number of data set. Before that, let me just show you wave, what we are doing wave. So this is what I call it as wave, just a motion left, right. So this is done. Now let me do the swipe. This is what wave swipe. This is the swipe. So let me go ahead and capture the data set. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to capture 15 uh, these actions for each classes, then do the training. So that's it. Thank you. Yeah, so this here indicates that frames. So basically, by default, it will be taking for 30 frames per gesture. So it is saying that the number of frames are less. So what I'm going to do is add a new parameter like sequence length. And here I will be giving 24. So this is the total number of gestures I have here. So let it train. Give it few seconds. So it has trained. This is the command. If you just started, we'll be getting the results. Yeah, guys, here you can see. Um, so this is the wave has been detected. Now, as you can see, link has been detected. So it has been detected. So guys, what it does, what Gesto does, is it just fastens the process of dataset creation and training the model straight to deployment. So earlier, I have done several gesture recognition applications. It is a kind of a tedious process when we go with a lot of sports analytics or human process estimation, etc. It is definitely a tedious process. But now Gesto fastens it and makes it simpler. So that is it. Thank you.